Go to the App Store, open the application on your phone, then in the search bar, type FitLi, F-I-T-L-I. Click on FitLi application and install on your phone. Go to the sign up page, type in your first name and then your last name. Below, you can type your email address and confirmation to your email address. And the last thing you need to do is you need to create a password with 8 or more digits, which requires 8 characters plus 1 or more numbers. Please remember your password. Once you type all the information, click on the sign up button, and that is going to transfer you to the main menu of FitLi application. In the search bar in the middle, click and type Image Ballroom Dance Academy. Press search. You're gonna find the Image Ballroom Dance Academy schedule. You can click either on each class by scrolling up and down and choose the class you want to attend, or you can go to the calendar on a particular day you're interested to attend a class. Choose the class that you would like to book. To book the session, you need to accept the waiver, Image Ballroom Dance Academy, read through the 2 pages thoroughly before you go back. Make sure that you understand our liability waiver. Once you read through it, go back and press confirm to book your session. That is going to lead you to a page asking you, do you want to do a drop-in class or you want to do a 5-class card? All our members have discounted rates. Please contact us for more information if you're not an Image Ballroom Dance Academy member. Go ahead and choose either a drop-in for $25 or a 5-class card. Type in your credit card information, pay, and you're good to go. See you in our class soon.